I have some rubber gaskets here from my AC kit. I'm not sure if these are going to fit, the small green ones. If that don't work, then I'm going to salvage. I'll probably do that first. Get me a small screwdriver. I have some more connectors that I saved over the years, different projects. And it seemed like the same size rubber gasket is inside of these connectors. I'm just salvage some or one from one of these connectors here. I have several of them, you can see. So I'm getting ready to solve this problem. Let's see if this gasket comes out. I'm going to get a close-up here. Salvaging parts is what I do. So let's see if I forgot the right one. This is the one where my connector where the gasket is worn, and I lost a whole can of Freon because of that. I did not realize that was going to be an issue until my Freon started to spill out. So we're going to just dig down in here, take a small screwdriver, see if we can dig it out. Look like it's coming, and there it is. We got that on tape or not. Let's see. Let me get a close up. Move these out the way, and here's the gasket that came out. You can see it's worn. If you can see that. But I have two little green gaskets I got from my AC kit. So maybe I could put two of those in. That could be a solution. Or like I said, I'm going to take and salvage from another old little adapter here. I did not like these plastic ones. They didn't seem to work that well. We're just going to dig down in here, and just going to dig down in here and see if we can slowly get that out without destroying it. I think it wants to come. Get under it. Okay, I have it out. This is like a little faucet washer. Little black faucet washer. Set it on my white paper so you can see it better. There. I think that should take care of the problem. Okay, I was able to slide the rubber washer, the new rubber, well not new, but replaced the rubber washer that was worn. I got it back in there, got my screwdriver, and make sure it was flat. It looks good. I'm ready to go. And there's also another round rubber washer on the other end. Down in there. That one looks okay. So moving right along. Virtually 2, preventative maintenance and repairing. We're going to proceed here. And make sure you got your vents open. And you want to put this on max. Put this blow on high. Start it up. So the vents are open. Back all the way off my pen. It's nice and tight. I'm going to take and put it on my low side here. With a snap coupler. Put it on there. It's on. Let me turn my engine back on here. I have my doors open. I'm going to pull the punch with the can. Now I have a hole in the can. I'm going to back it off. Down here by the coupling. Maybe that washer needs to be replaced also. Just want to shake it. Let it go in. Let's go and make sure it's cool. Let's pull it off. When you're done, you put your cap back on there. You're good to go.